You want success. You see the vision. You dream of a better life. But there's a problem. You don't take action. You overthink. You procrastinate. You tell yourself, tomorrow. But deep down, you know the truth. Tomorrow never comes. This is the ambitious but lazy paradox. You have a mind that craves success, but a body that stays still. Your dreams are huge, but your actions are small. And if you don't break free, this will be your life. Always waiting, always dreaming, never doing. But there is a way out. I'll show you why this happens, and more importantly, how to break the cycle before it's too late. Have you ever spent hours fantasizing about your dream life? Imagining the success, the freedom, the respect, only to wake up the next day, scroll for hours, and do nothing? That's because ambition and laziness aren't opposites. They are two sides of the same coin. You were raised in a world that showed you limitless possibilities. You were told, you can be anything, but at the same time, you were given everything at your fingertips. Instant entertainment, instant pleasure, instant distractions. Your brain got used to the dopamine of imagination and forgot how to value real action. So now, your ambition wants the mountaintop, but your body resists the climb. And here's where the real danger lies. You start mistaking the feeling of ambition for real progress. Watching self-improvement videos feels like work. Reading about success feels like you're getting closer. Talking about your dreams makes you feel like you've already achieved something. But in reality, nothing changes. And this gap between your dreams and actions only gets bigger. Think about someone from your past. Someone who was always full of big ideas. Maybe they said they'd start a business, write a book, or change the world. Now where are they? Probably doing the same things they were doing 5 years ago. Still talking, still planning, still waiting. Now think about the people who actually make it. Consider Elon Musk. Many see him as the embodiment of ambition. A man building rockets and electric cars, tunneling under cities, connecting brains to computers. But what's less discussed is his work ethic. During Tesla's most challenging production periods, he slept on the factory floor. Not for a day or two, for weeks. When asked about his secret to success, he didn't mention vision or intelligence. He said, "I work 80 to 100 hours a week. If other people are putting in 40-hour work weeks, and you're putting in 100-hour work weeks, even if you're doing the same thing, you will achieve in 4 months what it takes them a year to achieve." Or take J.K. Rowling. Before Harry Potter made her one of the world's wealthiest authors, she was a struggling single mother on welfare. The first Harry Potter book wasn't written in bursts of inspiration. It was written in cafes while her baby slept, one difficult page at a time, often when she was exhausted and depressed. Her ambition was matched by her discipline, not her momentary motivation. Even in my own experience, the discipline video that reached hundreds of thousands of views wasn't created in a burst of excitement. It was written, recorded, and edited during a week when I felt like doing anything but work. The success didn't come from the ambition. It came from showing up despite not feeling like it. The pattern is clear. Those who break the ambitious but lazy cycle aren't necessarily more talented or more ambitious. They're simply willing to act when others only dream. That's the difference between dreamers and doers. This trap is not random. Your brain is wired to avoid hard work and chase easy rewards. Here's why you stay stuck. Dopamine confusion. Just imagining success releases dopamine. Your brain starts rewarding itself for thinking about goals instead of achieving them. The motivation myth. You believe you need motivation to start, but action doesn't follow motivation. Motivation follows action. The identity loop. If you see yourself as ambitious but lazy, you will act like it. Your brain prioritizes consistency over success. Perfectionism, paralysis. You want to do everything perfectly, so you do nothing. The gap between where you are and where you want to be feels so big that you never take the first step. This is why smart people stay stuck. They think too much and do too little. Enough theory. Here's how to escape. Step 1. Stop planning. Start doing 90% of ambitious but lazy people are stuck in motion, researching, planning, strategizing, instead of taking real action. If you've been thinking about doing something for more than a week, start it today. Action creates motivation. Motivation doesn't create action. Step 2. The 2-minute rule. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Write the first sentence of your book. Do 1 push-up. Open the laptop and write a subject line. Starting is the hardest part. Trick your brain into momentum. Once you start, you'll keep going. Step 3. Make distractions hard. Make work easy. Your phone isn't just distracting you, it's killing your ambition. Delete one app that wastes your time today. Use website blockers. Make wasting time inconvenient. Set up your workspace at night so you wake up ready to act. Step 4. Build systems, not willpower. You don't need motivation. You need a non-negotiable schedule. Work at the same time daily, whether you feel like it or not. Attach new habits to existing ones. E.g., after brushing my teeth, I write for 5 minutes. Get a wall calendar. Mark an X every time you take action. Don't break the chain. Step 5. Kill the ambitious but lazy identity. If you keep saying, I have so much potential, but your brain will make sure you stay that way. Change your words. I am ambitious but lazy. I take action even when I don't feel like it. Your identity shapes your reality. Speak the truth you want to live. You already know what to do. The only thing that separates the dreamers from the doers is action. So ask yourself, will you be the person who just watches another video? Or will you be the person who takes the first step right now? Your future is watching. Don't disappoint it. The time will pass anyway. The only question is what you'll have to show for it.